Now we will look into the project resource management. The first prompt we can try is help me as a AI project manager assistant to draft strategies for effectively planning and managing project resources based on my project name, details, objectives, or the response from the previous projects. So that will give me some of the strategies that I should imply. So let's try this prompt as a group exercise. So help me as an AI project manager to draft strategies for effectively planning and managing project resources for the construction of 1 mile long bridge or BRI bridge on the river. Okay. Now you will see the response it will give for the construction of the bridge. It's a 1 mile long bridge. So let's go back and read. Uh, Planning and managing project resources for the construction of 1 mile long bridge on a river is a complex task. Here are some of the strategies that help you effectively plan and manage resources. Identify resources, resource estimation, resource allocation, resource scheduling, a resource contingency plan, labor management, equipment and material. We all know that resource does not mean the human resource. Resource also mean equipment and material, and also the finances, financial management, resource tracking and reporting, risk assessment and mitigation, vendor and supply relation, optimizing resource optimization. How do you manage your resources better and continuously looking for the improvements? Health and safety compliance is a big part of the resource management is to ensure health and safety of your staff on a complex project like building a bridge on a river. Have some communication collaboration with your resources. Also, you need to consider the environmental consideration because this is creating a bridge on a river. So examples case such as waste disposal and water management and habitat protection. I just put like a change a single thing, the construction of the bridge, and it gives me a little bit of environmental context. If I put like an insurance agency website, there's nothing about environmental consideration, change management, and lesson. So this is how we can get the help from AI to draft a resource management plan. Let's look at our next prompt, which I would like you to pause the video and try yourself. Assist me as an AI project manager assistant in managing resource availability and allocating resources to the project task based on the previous prompts, project name, type, objectives, and details. Here, I would also suggest to you when you're prompting like this, you can provide a little bit more context about your project. So the construction of a bridge that is, we have outsourced the construction of the material to XYZ company, while the labors are provided by ABC company, and the pillars will be concreted and poured by company EFG, right? So provide a little bit more context, provide more about resource availability, saying that this company resources are not available during this time, and the company resources are available this time, and see your response. Again, I would like you to pause the video and try this prompt by yourself. Sure. Our next plan is about team development strategies. Provide insight as an AI project manager assistance on how to foster team development and improve collaboration among project team member tasks based on the details. Pause the video, try this prompt yourself, and see the response that you get from the chat GPT. Next, we are looking at resource skill set. Assist me as an AI project manager assistant in assessing the skills and competencies for the project team members to align based on project. Now, here, if you put a website project, it will give you different skills and competencies. If you put a construction of a bridge, it will give you different skills and competencies. Let's try this one for these two examples. So assist me as an AI project manager in assessing the skills and competencies for the project team for project team for the, let's just say, the insurance agency website project. And I'll copy this so that next time we can try with the construction of the bridge. And so here, I'm not gonna focus on every single item here, but I want to focus on the skills and categories: technical skills, website development, database management, content creation, project management, design and user experience, quality and testing, and communication stakeholders, right? And further in the skills, it talks about proficiency in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, project management, design expertise, and this.